Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring iOS 26 is present and your device has power. This prevents interruptions. Next, back up your phone to iCloud or Finder so you can undo anything if needed. Once done, force close background apps that hog RAM and enable low power mode to reduce background activity. This frees immediate resources. These steps stop new processes from interfering, and they prepare the system so the heavier optimizations we'll do next have full effect. You now tackle the middle of the fix, storage and background processes. Delete unused apps and offload large photos or videos until you have roughly 10 to 15% free space. iOS needs headroom for caching. Then disable background app refresh and restrict location for non-essential apps to cut CPU wake-ups. If odd tasks still run, reset settings, because corrupt preferences can spawn ghost processes. Resetting keeps data but clears misconfigurations. These changes reduce. You finish by rebooting the device so all cleaned caches and setting changes take effect. A simple restart often yields the largest perceptible gain. Update all apps to their latest versions and check battery health for degradation that can trigger throttling. If lag persists, perform a fresh iOS install and restore from backup. This removes deep software corruption. If problems continue, try a diagnostic-like safe restart or contact Apple support for hardware checks. This isolates whether the issue is software or physical.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.